Right guys, you will notice this. Yes, I've got the camera back on the windscreen today. In my previous video where I sort of tried it out for the first time, I did mention that the footage was a bit too shaky to be used at anything sort of over 30 miles per hour or so. I've been doing a bit of reading up on how to reduce the vibrations and make the footage a bit more sort of steady. So I've got it mounted to the shortest possible sort of mounting adapter or mounting stem, whatever you want to call it, which should reduce the vibrations going through to the camera. I also noticed in Movie Maker there's a stabilization feature, and I've sort of messed about with that and it seems to do a pretty good job, so hopefully we'll get some decent footage now. And I'm also testing out a voice recorder, so the audio you're hearing now is not coming through the microphone connected to the drift camera. It's coming through from a microphone connected to a voice recorder, which is in the inside pocket of my jacket. So I'm hoping that will improve the quality of the audio somewhat. And because before, when I was going sort of anything above 40 really, there's a lot of wind noise with this helmet. That combined with my voice, I think, was too much for the microphone to cope with. Whenever I spoke, it was just a complete crackle. You couldn't understand a word I was saying. There was not really any way to sort of fix that. So I'm hoping this will improve the quality of my audio, which hopefully make the videos a bit more enjoyable. So we'll see how that goes. So the other day I received an email. Wait, one. There we go. So the other day I received an email through Bikers Hub from a PR company, and they were asking whether I would publish news or press releases on electric motorcycles. They work for a couple of manufacturers of electric motorcycles, and I've said to them, well, it depends what the news is or what the article is really, but I just wanted to see what your thoughts were. Oh, I can't talk properly today, can I? I wanted to see what your thoughts were on electric motorcycles. In my opinion, I've got no experience of electric motorcycles, but I don't know, I don't really like the idea, because there's no noise, is there? I like to hear the engine and my exhaust while I'm riding around, and I know that with an electric motorcycle you don't get that noise, so I wouldn't enjoy riding it as much. Simple as that really. That said, I've never ridden one, so is that a fair comment to make? I should reserve judgment, I'm sure, but that's just my sort of opinion as it stands at the moment. If I was to ride one, maybe that opinion would change. But what do you guys think? Comment below for me. I'll be interested to hear. But yeah, thank you for watching again, guys. As usual, I would ask any of you to rate, comment, subscribe, what have you. Take care of yourselves. See you next time. Cheers.